Seal inspection in Boca Raton. This is an original concrete panel wall, T-piling wall with additional batter piles and king piles for a dock. The dock is 60 feet. There's a boat lift, about 10 to 12,000 pound load. The Seawall is in general good condition. There's a floating dock over here. The batter piles appear good. The cap looks good. There is some issue with the radiuses on the seawall. They're missing in quite a few places, so the wall has to be resealed, and also recommended to have some weep hole pressure release system. We recommend jet fuel. Right here, see how the ground kind of comes up and all that light, and also you can see the hairline cracks on the panel from the stress. You can see that the radiuses are missing in quite a few places, but the Seawall structurally is in good condition. The king piles for the dock are in good condition. Everything was in stainless for the dock, so that's great. It's a good dock. But right here you can see the fracturing of the panel, and that usually indication of strong hydrostatic load, especially when you heighten the seawall. So definitely something worth protecting. This is a large investment at 100 linear feet. It's probably $100,000 to replace. Another panel, that's the second panel that has some fracturing in it. It's all hairline, should be repaired too. And again, you can see how the T-pile is open and the radiuses are not seen, and you can see also the light material. There's concrete sand used for the paving on top. We're walking, the direction is west, so just giving you a good look. And now we're finishing the dock. It's going to go open on the west side, and there's two batter piles before and one panel just before the end where the other property starts. You can see here again, completely missing radiuses. And also this pipe here is left open around, and then just sediment can just come right through this hole. So that should be grouted and sealed as well. This inspection was conducted on September 11, 2020. Boca Raton by SeaMeDive.